Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video we have an entrance exam from Oxford, and we have 8 to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 4 to the x plus 2 to the x plus 2. So looking at the question, we'll see that we have different exponents of 2. So we have 8, which is 2 to the power of 3, and we have 4, which is 2 to the power of 2. So that would be the first thing to start with. So let's see what we can do. We know that the 8 is 2 to the power of 3 to the x plus 4, and we know 4 is 2 to the power of 2 to the x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2. And we're going to go over of some law of exponents. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, we can switch the exponents, and this will be equal to a to the n, because both of these will be at the end a to the power of m times n. So we can see this one in two of these, this one and this one. And also we know if we have a to the power of m plus n, this will be equal to a to the m times a to the n. And the other one will be something that we have in here, and we can use that one. So if that's the case, this will be 2 to the x to the power of 3 plus 4, and I'm gonna do 2 to the x to the power of 2 plus 2 to the x times 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. So now let's call 2 to the x y, and we know that this will be greater than 0, and if that's the case, from the first one we have y to the power of 3 plus 4. On the other side we have y squared plus 4 times y. And let's just bring everything on the left side. So we'll have y to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 2 minus 4y plus 4 equals 0. So looking at this, from the first two we can factor y squared. So we'll have y minus 1. And in the second one we can factor minus 4, which will be y minus 1 equals 0. So now we have y minus 1 in two of them, so we can factor y minus 1. From the first one we get y squared, and from the second one we get minus 4 equals 0. And we know this will be something familiar for us. If we have a squared minus b squared, have a minus b times a plus b, and we have y squared minus 2 to the power of 2. So if that's the case, this will be equal to y minus 2 times y plus 2 equals 0. And when we have an expression including 3 terms equals 0, we see that a can be 0, b can be 0, or c can be 0. We need to satisfy all of these conditions for our answer. So y minus 1 equals 0, that means our y is 1, and we call y 2 to the power of x, and in a condition that if x is 0, we'll get y1. So in a second condition we have y minus 2 equals 0, that means our y is 2, this will be 2 to the power of x, and from here our x will be 1. So far we found two answers, and the last one is y plus 2 equals 0, and that means our y is minus 2. This will be equal to 2 to the power of x, which we know is greater than 0. So this can be an answer for us, because 2 to the power of x cannot be a negative number. So all in all, the two answers that we have for this question is 0 and 1, and that would be the final answer for this question. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.